Coming through with another video too, you don't know. See guys, I got you a special treat here. This is an E90 328i M Sport package. I know it's not a 335, but these are still very nice and unique cars. This is literally, to me, the perfect daily. You got the nice M Sport package with the reliable N52 engine. Okay, a combination like that is greatness. All right. This does have some imperfections and stuff, so I just wanted to give you guys a nice little one time around the car so you guys can actually see the condition. But yeah, this is a very unique spec. This is a 2009 model year. As you know, the 09 started the LCI for the E90s. You know, the E90s were made from 06 to 2011. The LCIs only came in 2009 through 2011. And by that time, you could either get the N52 like this one, or you can get the N55 because they kind of switched over. What's cool about this one is that it has a lot of options. First of all, comfort access, number one. Number two, I'm not a big fan of the gray interior, but if kept in good condition, it can be passable. This one is passable. The cool thing about the M Sport package is that you get the nice steering wheel, the bigger and broader steering wheel and thing. This is the most important thing right here. The manual transmission, literally. You got the nice sports seats with the M logo. I come around to the back here. Of course, these things are melting. Of course. Regulators somewhat work. To come around to the back here. You know, this thing actually has a really nice exhaust to it. Actually, let me let you guys hear the exhaust real quick. Hope you guys like the exhaust. It sounds pretty nice. Come around to the side here. I mean, for 2009, it looks pretty nice, not gonna lie. It's not the most cleanest car, but it's definitely in great shape for the miles and the age. I just love that it's a 6-speed manual transmission with iDrive and heated seats. This has pretty much all the options you could get on a 328 M Sport. I don't think there's a single option missing on this car. Let me show you guys the engine, the beast of a car. The famous, infamous N52 inline-6 naturally aspirated engine. One of the best reliable engines you can get. I mean, these things barely have any issues. These are literally the Honda of BMW engines. If you don't believe me, search it up. This is actually pretty clean as well. Let me show you guys the miles on this car. This car has 204,000 miles. Rotted Ross! So of course I have to start it for you guys. Foot on brake, clutch pedal down. Make sure you're in neutral. Keyless go. Wow. Awesome. Not a single check engine light. I'm kind of surprised because it has an exhaust. But airbag light and TPMS light. I mean, for 204,000 miles, you can't expect perfection, you know. 200K, you know, all the important lights are not on, so that's a good thing. If anything, this is driver mod. It sounds really good. Yeah, you guys, I just wanted to show you guys this magnificent 328i M Sport that I picked up. Very cool car, very great spec, everything nice. I even have all the books for it. A reliable daily with a manual transmission. Anyways, you guys, please like and subscribe to the channel and stay positive. You don't know.